Folks, get your backup generator ready. Well, finally got rid of the DeWalt generator and I upgraded to the Generac. I believe. Oh, here's the model number. It's no, that's not the model number. Anyhow, the 1550 EFI. Well, it's got a 50 amp twist lock, which at 240 volts is 1200 watts, I believe. Yeah, 1200 watts. So even on peak 50 amp on the breaker, it's not going to tax it out. Now, I don't know too much about this generator, other than it's heavier than what I can pick up out the fucking truck. But this is what I love about it. Which, by the way, I gotta get a crane hoist, which I ordered. It's less than 5% total harmonic distortion. So it costs a little more, but you got no ripple, which is great. Dog is windy today. Man, let her sing, America. Woohoo! Anyhow, I will be doing a video on this generator shortly. Blueberries Prepper out. Get that backup generator ready.